Okay, now I'm gonna record our second process. One, Adrian. Alright, sige, Kuya Bon, ha? Dance mo si Caitlyn. I'm gonna call our next process, Teron James. Ang pogi.
Dance. Kuya DJ dance.
Smile, Teron. Yeah! Don't forget to smile.
Ikot mo, kuya.
Yeah! Yan, hindi na mag-practice ha. Okay, now we're our next process, Sean Matthew. Thank you, Teron. Okay, come on, Kuya Sean. O, ikaw ang Yun, alright. Now we'll call our next process, Sharon. Sharon, come here. Alright, come on. Okay, now we call our next process, Adriel Toby. Si Boy Itlog.
Dance.
Oh, wala pa rin sa mukha ng process. Okay, we call our next process, Joshua. Sanay mong sayaw. And of course, that was our last process. Let's give it up for Jordan Richmond. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mir. Okay, eto na po si Joel. Nag-ito. Sino? Yes, ang galing sumayaw ni Lola. Nakakita ko naman, ha? Hindi pa tinig-tig yung tugtog niya, ha? Thank you so much. Para yung ating step process. Now, guys, lahat ang nagsayaw, halika kayo dito sa harapan. Let's have a picture taking together with our birthday celebration. Lolo, sama na po kayo, ha? Ayan. Come on. Ayan. Yamiel, sama ka na, Yamiel. Okay. Bon, Adrian, Charlie May, Zeron, Sean, Jared, Adrian.
Pwede niya hawa.
Let's have a picture taking. And then after that,
Ganyan mo na.
yan guys, hanap na kayo sa inyong mga table skits. And then for this time, let's have a break time or eating time. Kakain na muna kayong lahat. Ayan, pwesto niya. And of course, sa mga guests natin na nandyan, pansinin niyo po ang inyong mga table. Meron po yung mga numbering. So if I call your table, tatayo lang po kayo and then lalapit po kayo sa harapan para po makapag-picture taking kayo kasama ng ating birthday celebrant at saka si Mami, okay? One by one po yan. So I think meron tayong table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 table na nandyan. So pansinin nyo lang po, pag tinawag ko po yung table, saka na po kayo lumapit, okay? Lucky Alright, thank you so much. Balik na kayo sa inyong mga pwesto. And maraming salamat, Tintin. Ayan, so table number 1. Ayan yung pwesto nila Nina Mary Ann. Tayo na po kayo. Mami.